Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing very fine this wonderful morning. Okay guys, let's get back to why we are here. Now today's video is all about CORSIA di PRESELEZIONE or CANALIZZAZIONE, like you're seeing on my screen or on your screen, any of the screens. Okay guys, if you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this channel where they make Patente be easy for you, breaking it in a way where you feel to understand. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and if at all you like this video, which I know say definitely you like it, I believe me a thumbs up. Okay, now let's get into the video. Now this na CORSIA di PRESELEZIONE or CANALIZZAZIONE. So I'm going to read and as well I'm going to explain with the diagram as well. Ok, in assenza di freccia direzionale, tutte le tre le CORSIA consentono di proseguire dritto. Now, there's one that has a freccia, arrows on the floor. Okay, but this time around, in the absence of these arrows, they're not there for here to direct you where you want to go to. Make sure, say, you understand the difference between this one and the one we get that fresher. Okay, now this is telling you that these three lanes consent you to go dritto, go straight in the absence of this fresher. Okay, when the fresh already, these three lanes consent you to keep going straight. It not oblige you to keep going straight. It consents you. It allow you to go straight. La CORSIA di sinistra consente anche di svoltare a sinistra. That means when there's no fresher on this particular place, where there's no arrow here to indicate, that means these three lanes consent you to go straight, while the left lane still consent you to go left. That means you can use the left lane to either go left or you go straight. La CORSIA di destra consente anche di svoltare a destra. The right lane to consent you. Either you go straight or you turn to your right. Now, in the absence of the fresher, I'm going to show you quickly what I mean by fresher. This, in the absence of this type of fresher on the pavement, the left one allows you to turn left and go straight. The right lane allows you or consent you to turn right and keep going straight. La CORSIA centrale, this is the same diagram and still on CORSIA di PRESELEZIONE or canalizzazione. It said the center lane CORSIA centrale consente solo di proseguire dritto, consent you only go to your, only go straight forward. The center lane tells you go straight only in the absence of this fresher. The center lane tells you keep going straight, no other direction allowed. While the left lane allows you turn left or go straight. The right lane allows you turn right or go straight. È possibile cambiare CORSIA finché le strisce sono ancora discontinua, tratteggiate. Now, you are allowed to change either of these lanes. Now, you can use your left, you can use your center, you can use your right. Okay, you are allowed to change either of these lanes when this line still there discontinuous. When it's still there like this, dot, dot, dot. When it's still there discontinuous line, you fit change lane. As soon as it becomes continuous, there's nothing you can do about it again. Okay, because normally you're not supposed to climb continuous line. So you cannot change lanes. You can change lanes until this place. Make sure say you quickly enter the one where you choose your choice of lane, enter them on time. Non è vero che la corsia di destra è riservata ai veicoli lenti. Now, it is not true that the right lane they reserved for vehicles where they slow, vehicles where they go slowly. Say that them this right lane they reserved for. It is not true. In summary, I'm going to tell you that when you see this type of line, CORSIA, okay, where they like this without an arrow indicating, okay, not say when you then left, you're occupying left to either go to your left or you go straight. You're occupying the right lane, either you go to your right or you keep going straight. The center lane just takes you straight, no other lane, direction consented. Aside you going straight forward, okay. Now, that's for CORSIA di PRESELEZIONE e CANALIZZAZIONE. I don't know if you understand this particular lesson we did today, but if you don't understand them, leave your difficulty for the comment section. I'm going to treat it, and I'm going to reply you in the comment section, or I'm going to do a video again as regarding to why you get that difficulty. Okay, yeah, that is that for that, and I'm going to say goodbye here. I'm coming up with another video. I don't want to choke you guys with so many topics in one video, so that you would understand as small. Like I tell you guys, na gradual process. Okay, if you're interested in my classes, my number there for the screen. That is where I spend most of the time, because I know if you come do videos frequently like that. But I'll try. I'll try. I'm trying anyway. Am I not? Still leave in the comment section if you think I'm doing a good job. Okay, I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.